Hi, I'm Engineer Ice. So, today nga pala is magsasolve tayo ng pastboard problem which is MSTC na involved dito yung trigo. So, ito nga pala yung problem. So, a man finds the angle of elevation of the top of a tower to be 30 degrees. So, binigay yung angle of elevation daw ng tao to the top of a tower to be 30 degrees. So, ito yan. Yan, 30 degrees. Yan ang angle of elevation. So, yan. So, note nga pala, hindi binigay yung figure dito sa problem na to during board exam. So, yan, dapat magaling tayo mag-imagine. So, magaling naman kayo mag-imagine. Sure yan. So, yan nga pala. Next is, he walks 65 near the tower and finds its angle of elevation to be 60 degrees. So, lumapit siya sa tower, sa distansyang 65 meter. Yan. Na meron ding angle na 60 degrees, which is yung angle of elevation. Yan. And what is the height of the tower in its distance from the first position of the man? So, pinapahanap yung height ng tower. Yan. At yung distance ng first position ng tao papunta sa tower. Yan. So, nilagay ko nga pala is letter D or variable D. Yan. So, paano natin ito simulan? So, ang solution ko dito is tingnan muna natin yung whole figure na nagawa natin, which is yung A, C, D. Yan, A, C, D. So, gumamit ako dito ng trigonometric function, which is yung katawa. So, katawa. So, dapat ma-involve yung height. So, ginamit ko dito is tangent or tan 30 degrees equals to opposite yung H, adjacent yung D. Yan. So, in terms of H, so, in-express ko siya express ko siya sa D in terms of H. Yan, kakabuo tayo niyan. D is equals to H over tan 30 degrees. Bakit natin ginawang ganyan? So, mag-iisip kasi tayo ng equation na involve yung height. So, isa-isahin muna natin. So, yan. So, tingin tayo sunod sa angle sa triangle BCD, which is yan, BCD. In terms of H din. So, ginamit ko lang din yung TOA dito, which is tan 60 degrees equals to H over X. Opposite, adjacent, kasi focus tayo sa BCD. Adjacent niya is X. So, yan. Express, in terms of H, yan. So, yung X is equals to H over tan 60 degrees. Express natin siya as an X in terms of H. Yan. So, bakit ko nga pala yan ginawang ganyan? Kasi kung titingnan natin dito, yung D is binubuo ng 65 plus X. So, meron na tayo nung equation na D and X. So, in terms of H yan. So, pag ginawa natin yung equation, which is D is equals to 65 plus X, nakuha na natin yung D in terms of H, nakuha natin yung X in terms of H. Yan. Pag sinubstitute natin, guys, isa lang yung unknown, which is yung H. Yan. Yan yung ginawa ko, which is D is equals to H over tan 30 degrees. Yan. Equal 65 plus yung X is H over tan 60 degrees. Shift solve lang natin sa calculator para mabilis. So, H is equals to 56.292 meters. And nakuha na natin yung H. Madali na lang kunin yung distance from the first position of the man to the tower. Yan, which is letter D. Variable D. So, yan. Nakuha na natin yan gamit yung ginawa nating equation in terms of H, yung D. D is equals to H over tan 30 degrees. So, substitute lang natin yung nakuha nating H dun sa H. Makuha natin yung sagot, which is D is equals to 97.5 meters. Ito nga pala yung solution or another solution dito sa problem na to. So, kanina nga pala is in-explain ko na kung paano nabuhay ang figure na yan. At hindi siya given, guys, sa board exam, yung figure. Yan. So, diretso tayo dito sa another solution or another approach para makuha natin yung height and yung total distance. Ito. From the first position of the man to the tower. Yan. Ginamitan ko ng sine law. So, focus tayo sa triangle ABD. Yan. So, ginawa ko tong X. Yung side na yan. So, using a sine law, 65. Yung opposite angle niya is 30 degrees. So, 65 over sine 30 degrees. Equal yung kabila naman na side, which is X. Tapos, anong opposite na angle niya? Which is 30 degrees. So, shift solve natin, makukuha natin yung X, which is 65 meters. And focus naman tayo sa triangle BCD. Yan. So, bakit natin kinuha yung X? Para madali natin makuha yung H or yung height, yung total height ng tower. So, yan. Gamit tayo ng trigonometric function ulit. Ang ginamit ko dito is yung sine kasi given yung X, which is yung hypotenuse yan dyan sa triangle. So, hinahanap natin is yung height, which is yung opposite. So, ang gamitin natin yan. Sine 60 degrees equals to H over 65, which is yung 65 is yung X na nasolve natin kanina. So, shift solve, makukuha natin yung height, which is 56.292 meters. Nakuha na natin yung height. So, madali na lang din makuha natin yung D. Kasi kuha na yung height. So, tingin tayo sa big triangle, which is yung ACD. Yan. ACD. Given yung angle, nakuha natin yung opposite na height. Yan. Hinahanap natin yung D, which is yung adjacent. Yan. So, gamitin natin ng tangent, which is yung TOA. TOA naman. Kanina ngayon TOA. So, tangent 30 degrees equals, yung opposite niya is yung height na nakuha natin, yung 56.292. Yung adjacent naman is yung hinahanap natin, yung distance from the first position of the man to the tower, which is yung D. So, shift solve natin, makukuha natin yung D, which is 97.5 meters. So, sagot natin dito is letter B. So, nasa sa inyo na lang kung saan kayo komportable.